Gold and silver both have seen a good swing yesterday, where we have seen both achieving the highs and beautifully respecting the support levels. Remember, I have shared several times yesterday 2280 for silver and 20 30, 20, 28 levels for gold. Beautifully, we have seen it respecting the levels and bouncing back strongly. What to expect today? Can we consider gold and silver to trade bullish today, or there is a possibility of a reversal again? What is going to be our strategy today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Let's start. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And yes, do join the channel memberships and get the additional benefits. Now, on the hourly charts, we can see one very important observation here is the downside. You can see this trend line getting supported with every drop. At the same time, highs are increasing. This is a divergent here. This is a widening channel here, which is certainly a bullish indication. Now, second observation here is what it has done. Drop, retraced, failing to break above 2050. It is again trying to look downwards. This is the next observation. Moving averages here are convergent. Rather, MACD is convergent. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. And we can look at similar observation here on the 2 hour charts as well. We are taking the support from 20 period. It is showing a little retracement, but we have to wait for it to break beyond 2050 levels, 2050 52 levels, beyond which there could be certain or little bullishness. The stochastic rising, MACD is still on the upward trajectory, RSI flat. Similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. The drop, the retracement, and again looking downwards. We have to wait for it to break beyond 2050 52 levels. That will be the indication that it is going to rise high. We can look forward to 2055 levels, and then my favorite 2060 65 zone. It has to break beyond this zone in order to confirm reversal. MACD is still divergent, RSI is almost flat. Likewise, on the 4 hour chart, see rise, retracement, rise, retracement. However, it has not yet reached this channel. Gold has to break below this channel in order to confirm the bearishness. See, moving averages just crossing over is a sign of bullishness. The stochastic is flat. MACD is bullish here. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, learn this art of trading by joining my mentorship batch. 28th batch commenced this week. 29th batch is announced. Register for it. You can also be part of Signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me and join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Also, visit the platform forexunda.com, where you can, besides getting the economic data, the charts, and the community, you can also book a call with me. Do visit the platform. Now, look at the daily chart. First of all, it has formed a good base. It is certainly rising here, higher highs, higher lows. Where are the support levels today? 20 34 35 is the support, and then 20 28 30 is the next support. As long as it respects this zone, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Only and only if it trades below this, you should treat this as bearish. What has happened yesterday? We have seen swing. Second observation here is the bullishness getting diminished, but higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Where are the highs for the day? 2060 levels could be the highs here. Be watchful of this. About 2050 levels, we can initiate a buying position, expect it to move towards 2050 52 you can buy, but then 2055 is the nearest resistance, and then I will be looking forward to 60 rather I will say 62.5 and 64 levels as the next targets. Yes, this is going to be the next target here. Also, on the daily charts, one must note that it has breached this flag formation and it is going to rise further. That is what is my expectation, but it has to break beyond 60 65 zone. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 24, but the first supports are very nearby at 35 36 and then 28 30. If these two supports are taken, you can treat gold as bearish and a major crash can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, after showing this drop, it has retraced. Moving averages crossing over here on the hourly charts is a sign of bearishness. Prices are divergent from the moving average. It has achieved the levels and now trying to reverse. Look at the support at 2290, 2280. Very, very strong support here. And right now it is forming lower lows, lower highs. Thus, we have to be watchful. And yes, below 2090 we can initiate a selling entry. However, 2260 levels, as long as it respects, do not treat this as bearish. The stochastic near to top, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI flat. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, one must note first of all, look at the support levels here at 2290, 2280, very, very strong support. With that as support, we have seen it rising. Now, once it breaks past 2310, 2320 zone, that is the only level beyond which we can look forward to bullishness. The stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish. And on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, though you can see higher lows, higher highs, it is still respecting the channel here. It has to break beyond this channel in order to confirm the bearishness. Also look at the bearish candles are sharper, bullish candles are smaller. Also one must look at, see, it is still treating or trading in this bullish channel. Remember, higher lows are seen, 2280 is still respected, and it is trading with widening triangle from those levels. Be watchful. It is still not to be treated bearish. The stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, similar is the observation here. Only buying confirmation. See, yes, you can buy here at 2305. When the lower levels are above 2305, you can initiate a buying position. But then we have to wait for it to break beyond 2320, and then beyond that 2340 and 60 is the zone which I will be looking at. I have been sharing this. It is yet falling shy of it. We have to wait for it to break. I'll also look at, see, the support levels. Very, very strong support exists here at 2280 70 zone. The stochastic has dropped. MACD, look at MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards. RSI almost flat. Coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, symmetrical formation here, support at 2280 levels. What preceded this was a sideways move. What we can expect here is a sideways move. 2270 levels you should watch out for. And as long as 2270 levels are respected today, do not treat silver as bearish. And on the upside, a reversal confirmation is only about 2320 levels. If you look at the daily charts here, see V-shaped recovery here, and a breakout is what we should look forward to. Either which way this shows a breakout, or else possibly it is going to trade in this box only, that is 2200 to 2350. Stochastic dropping sharply. MACD has crossed over at bottom, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is flat. Considering this, buy silver at 2305. Remember, the lower prices for a buying entry should be about 2305 levels. Yes, if you see this above 2305, bullish. But then 2320 levels it needs to break. 2320, 2330 levels, if it breaks, certainly we are looking forward to 2350, 60 levels. On the downside, sell at 2290 levels. But be very, see, this higher price should be below 2290 in order to confirm a selling entry. But then 2280, 2270 is the zone it needs to break. Else it could bounce back and then we could incur losses. Thus, you have to put a stop loss at your entry price as long as 2270 is not taken. In fact, if it breaks below 2270, there are great supports available as long as 2240 levels are there. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Watch the next update before the US session opens. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signal channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any queries. Thank you very much.